If your husband is lazy and never wants to take the family on vacation, then why not try the Airstream Basecamp? With this vehicle, you get access to all the fun of an RV and the convenience and comfort of a stable, lightweight trailer. It is surprisingly easy to maneuver, has a sleek aerodynamic shape that naturally delivers low wind resistance, creating less drag. Standard base camps are 16 feet long, weigh in around 2,650 pounds, and can comfortably seat up to 4 people without causing a ruckus. It is very easy on the eyes too, with a satin aluminum finish and Art Deco-like wraparound windows. It also uses larger than average Goodyear off-road tires and stylized wheels to give you amazing off-road capabilities so that you can venture into the wild with little stress. Regarding the interior design, there are 2 different Basecamp floor plans, the 16 and 20. Each model is available in a base option or with upgrades. The ceiling and walls are polished aluminum with curving trim and recessed LED lighting. Fabric is marine grade to resist water, mildew, dirt, and spills. Flooring is seamless vinyl, so it cleans up easily. Don't worry about access to food or fresh water, because this RV has a 24-gallon freshwater tank on board for cooking, cleaning, and washing up. Airstream also has refrigerators, a microwave, toilets, screen doors, a custom molded propane tank, a dedicated sewer hose storage, and showers. You also get an onboard furnace and water heater system to keep you from getting too chilly as you explore the best of what nature has to offer. If you just can't deal without a home-cooked meal, the camper has a small but efficient kitchenette, which is a great place to make a meal. The fridge, powered in this case by an optional solar panel on the roof, was big enough for a weekend's worth of food, allowing us to leave our cooler at home. If this seems like a dream come true, and you're getting the feeling that it is simply too good to be true, wait until you hear the price. A used Airstream Basecamp starts at $48,900 before options like solar or air conditioning. So yeah, start saving up.